So today I went to my neighbor Nathan's house to use that casting sand we made last night. He's a very talented sculptor, lives just a little bit south of me. So we're putting some bits of brass and some copper in the little furnace there, and I've got some pewter, which is mostly tin, and we'll see if we can make some bronze out of the whole mess. So while I was waiting for the furnace to warm up, I went ahead and packed the sand into the frame, and very much like we did with the little gear yesterday, I just took some face molds that he had and stamped them into the sand. So we're just about ready to pour here. So this was our first pour. I think it's Nathan's first time casting something, and it's my first time casting bronze. I've cast other little stuff out of different metals. Everything seemed to go pretty smoothly. We had to add a little fingers onto the clamps he had, 'cause we added a little strip of pewter to the copper and bronze mix that we had there, and welded up the little cup holder for the crucible. Right here, Nathan's scooping slag out of the
crucible.
mix.
Oh, good. That's better.
That first pour was pretty clean. You can see the little impressions in the sand there. Those were those face molds that he had. Here we go.
You got 4 spots there, so
Perfect fit.
perfect.
Take it over to the
Look
mold.
at that. Which your dealer's choice.
And here we go, pouring some hot bronze. There it is. It's 2000 degree molten bronze, brass, something, whatever you add tin to copper to make, I don't remember. There we go. Oh, and the little mishap there, but nothing critical. We just kind of let it sit on the sand.
Get our close up.
My first casting! Woo!
Hey!
Dropped the crucible on top of it, but
It's all right.
well.
That hurt nothing. Look at those.
Starting to crystallize.
That's awesome. That is legit.
It's like coming back to the ancestors, you know?
Yeah. So here you can see the molds, or the originals versus the cast outputs that we had. We had so much fun the first time, we decided to do a second pour. We've got a little bit of different footage here, but unfortunately when we were actually pouring, my camera was off, so I missed the really cool part. So Nathan's cleaning out some slag for our second pour here. All the little floaty bits on there are impurities, and you just hook them out. It's nice to have a ladle or a spoon. That fire is zinc burning off.
Oh, yeah.
As it hits oxygen. That's the wire. Oh, and probably the plastic out of that welding cup.
Oh, yeah.
And steel that was on that welding cup. I think I might not have been filming that whole time. That's all right. You can definitely displace them though.
Okay, using that pipe.
Yeah, but you don't want to do it when there's a lot. You want to let it cool a little bit first because it. I think this one boiled.
Okay.
It got upset. But
all right, we're gonna let it cool a little bit, guys, and then we're going to put it in the water. So these are my boys, part of my crew, future artwork people, sculptors, and
How did you
whatnot.
make it?
What do we make? What? This furnace. See, this is propane right there. That's a type of gas, and it goes in there, and we put a flame on it. Turns really hot. We let air go into it, and it warms up this crucible. This is called a crucible, and we can put copper wire or other little metal bits in there, and it'll melt it. And then we take it and we pour it in, just like right there. Well, to turn it into a new use, right? Because I could have just given it to the scrapyard and they would have sold it for whatever they would have sold it for, but now we get to do something with it.
that turned gold. That's cool.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a different consistency. Okay, and just please don't put your foot on it.
Yeah, it'll melt your shoes real quick. Yeah.
That's what it is.
Cold water?
Yeah, see that it boiled it a little bit when I put the pipe on the back of it.
Oh, okay.
But I think it's still
It reacted to.
yeah the coolant. I think the rapid cooling from the pipe. So I should have let it. If you let it sit for a minute, then it doesn't bother it.
And this is a skull here.
This is the skull. That gold color is pretty nice.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's cool.
It's got a beard.
Yeah, yeah. The chin kind of went a little wonky. All right, that's our second casting.
There you go.
3 faces.